Hi, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today, I am going to explain how to use a Leankboard. These boards were designed and created to facilitate startups and projects, whether they are new ones or not, to carry out their experiments following the ideas build, measure, learn cycle. I mean an approach using the scientific method in a lean way. These boards are helpers to avoid costs and resources through the validation of beliefs, assumptions and hypotheses that team have about who is their product user, what is the problem do the team think they are solving, what assumptions do the team believe are needed, and what solution is the team proposing. So the first thing that is done on a Leankboard is to click on the plus sign of the section of product owner, and then add different cards relatives to the beliefs of who will be the product user. This is done with a brainstorm inside the team. Similarly, in the challenge section we add the different challenges that the team believe the product user need to solve, and of course, again using brainstorming, the team should add proposals cards in the corresponding section. It is possible to associate the supposition that team believe are true in order the challenge and the proposal have sense. Also, a metric and criteria must be defined so that a decision can be made. In the swimline or section of take option, the team choose if persevere or change something in the following iteration. Next iterations continues in a similar way. Always looking use the less effort to get the learning of what to build. So as you can see, Leankboard is an already dashboard solution that can accelerate your data requirements for startups, entrepreneurs, or corporations, saving time, saving data, and adding agility and collaboration. Visit www.lankboard.com. Hi.